Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Sodikakori YouTube channel. Don't forget to join our community membership link in the description below. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. So, how can you make money through affiliate marketing? First and foremost, it's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will not only make the process more enjoyable but also increase your chances of success. Next, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Once you've built a strong following, start promoting products or services that align with your niche. Make sure to be transparent about your affiliate links and always provide honest reviews. By recommending products or services that you genuinely believe in, you'll build trust with your audience and increase your chances of making money through affiliate marketing. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide value to your audience and be authentic in your recommendations. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, keep hustling and stay positive.